Good morning, students. Hope you be fine at your respective places. Last time we have discussed the various types of the pollutants and we have discussed the classification of the pollutants. हाँ, उसमें हमने एक पढ़ा था डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ द मीडियम डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मीडियम इन विच दिस पोल्यूशन ऑकर्स वी हैव गॉट थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ पोल्यूशन. एक हमने पढ़ा वी हैव गॉट द एयर पोल्यूशन. सेकंड वन जो हमारे पास है दैट इज द वाटर पोल्यूशन एंड थर्ड हमारे पास है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द सॉइल पोल्यूशन. सो दिस क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द पोल्यूशन इज मेनली डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ द मीडियम इन विच दिस पोल्यूशन occurs. Now today we will, to make it continue, today we are going to discuss this air pollution. Now how we can define the air pollution? Air pollution can be defined as, it can be defined as any undesirable change in the physical, chemical and biological aspect in the physical, chemical and biological aspect that makes it unfit for plants, animals, human beings as well as buildings. So how we can define the air pollution? Air pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in the physical, in the chemical and biological aspect that makes it unfit for plants, that makes it unfit for animals, human beings as well as buildings. Now, what are the various sources of air pollution? Now we will try to discuss various sources of air pollution. Sources of air pollution. What are the various sources of air pollution? We will try to discuss that. What are the various sources of air pollution? Number 5. The अगर हम बात कर लेंगे जो sources है air pollution की, the sources of air pollution, they are very much large and varied. But here we will try to discuss few sources of the air pollution. फर्स्ट जो हमारे पास जो इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन हमारे पास है दैट इज द इंडस्ट्रीज. दे आर द बैकबोन ऑफ द मॉडर्न जो हम कहेंगे लाइफ. नाउ वी हैव गॉट वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज विच रिलीज वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द पोल्यूटेंट्स टू द एयर, thus makes this air unfit for the use. Now the various industry जो हमारे पास है, first industry जो हमारे पास है that is the metallurgical processes. These metallurgical processes जो हम बात करेंगे they release dust, they release fumes loaded with lead, loaded with what we call as the lead, loaded with the chromium, loaded with the nickel etc. So, in metallurgical processes, they release dust, they release fumes, and these dust and fumes, they are loaded with lead, they are loaded with chromium, they are loaded with nickel, and thus making this dust, thus making these fumes unfit for the survival. सेकंड जो हमारे पास है इसी इंडस्ट्रीज में, वी हैव गॉट वन मोर. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज द केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज या केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज या केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ these chemical industries, what did they do? They release hydrochloric acid. These chemical industries, they release chlorine, they release nitrogen, they release nitrogen oxides, they release zinc, they release lead, they release arsenic, etc. etc. In addition to these, what we will see: carbon dioxide, comma, sulfur dioxide, comma, carbon monoxide, and hydrocarbons are also released, which makes the air unfit for use, as well as hydrogen sulfide. These are the chemical industries. These chemical industries, they release hydrochloric acid, they release chlorine, nitrogen oxide, zinc, lead, arsenic, etc. They also release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and hydrogen sulfide. And making these, when these substances they mix up with the air, they makes this air unfit for the use. थर्ड, अगर हम इंडस्ट्रीज सी की बात कर लेंगे, वी हैव गॉट थर्मल पावर प्लांट्स, we have got smelters and other industries. These industries, they release particulate matter. These industries, they release particulate matter and gaseous air pollutants, thus making this air unfit for the use. So first सोर्स जो हमने पढ़ा, that is the industries. इंडस्ट्रीज हमने मुख्तलिफ अकसाम में हमने इनको डिवाइड कर लिया. वी हैव डिस्क्राइब द मेटलर्जिकल प्रोसेसेस, व्हाट दे रिलीज डस्ट फ्यूम्स which is loaded with the lead, chromium, nickel, etc. Chemical industries में they release hydrochloric acid, chlorine, nitrogen oxide, zinc, lead, arsenic, etc. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, hydrogen sulfide. Then we have got third, thermal power plants and smelters. They release particulate matter and gases, air pollutants, and all these things, they make this air unfit for the use. So this was first one. Now we have got second one, that is the automobiles. B अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, B we have got automobiles. Now automobiles में हम क्या देखते हैं? We have got the different types of locomotive. We have got the buses, we have got car, jeeps, etc. And these what we call as these trains. We have got aeroplanes, etc. Now what we will see, what did they do? These automobiles, they release different gases, and these different gases जो है, which are very they make this they make this air unfit for the use. They release carbon monoxide, they release nitrogen oxide X23, they may release hydrocarbons, these are the three main ज्यादातर वो रिलीज करता है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड को, फिर उसके बाद किसका नंबर आता है, दिस नाइट्रोजन ऑक्साइड का, and then there is this hydrocarbon, and all these three substances, they are the main cause of the air pollution, mainly in the metro cities, mainly in the metro cities. थर्ड जो हम पढ़ लेंगे सी, that is the burning of fossil fuels. We have got fossil fuels, namely coal, we have got petroleum, we have got natural gas. These fossil fuels, on what we will see on combustion, they yield, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे on combustion, this yields carbon dioxide. लेकिन on incomplete combustion, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, they release carbon monoxide. They release carbon monoxide and a wide variety of these hydrocarbons, including, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, मीथेन and soot, that's the black जो पाउडर जो होता है. Now this also produces sulfur dioxide, it also produces ash. So this is the second, burning of fossil fuels. We have got the three main fossil fuels, that is the coal, petroleum and natural gas. When they burn, undergo combustion, they produce carbon dioxide. When their incomplete combustion takes place, they release carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons. Those hydrocarbons, it may include methane and soot. They may also release sulfur dioxide as well as the ash. This is the third. फोर्थ जो हमारे पास है, which is the main cause of this air pollution, that is what we call as, that is D part, agricultural activities. Agricultural activities. अबाउट ये कहा गया है कि 52 या अगर हम बात करें अबाउट 60% टू 65% अगर हम बात कर लेंगे किसका, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, it is produced by burning of forests, by burning of grasslands, etc. About 40% of methane, about 40% of methane is produced from burning paddy fields. This is the main cause. Yeah, it also comes from the burning of biomass. This is third. हाँ, अगर हम बात करेंगे एक और, क्रॉप स्प्रेइंग, या अगर हम बात एक और एक्टिविटी हमारे पास एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटी, दैट इज द डस्टिंग ऑफ पेस्ट्स, एंड weed control. They are also responsible, this crop spraying and dusting of pest and weedicides, they are also responsible for emitting, what, organic phosphates, They are also responsible for emitting organic phosphates, nated organic phosphates, chlorinated hydrocarbons, also lead into the air. Thus, when these are released into the atmosphere, that is the organic phosphate, that is the chlorinated hydrocarbon or the lead, they make this air unfit for the use. So this agriculture activities में हम क्या देखते हैं कि about 60 to 65% जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हमारे पास आ जाता है, it is released by the combustion or by the burning of forest and the grasslands. About 40% of this methane, it is released by the burning of paddy fields and also by the burning of the biomass, crop spraying, dusting of pests and weeds. They release organic phosphates, they release chlorinated hydrocarbon and lead into the air, thus making this air what will be called as this अनफिट फॉर द यूज. एक और हमारे पास जो लास्ट हम देखेंगे, दैट्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट, रादर दैट इज लास्ट वन, दैट इज SPM, or we can simply call as suspended particulate matter. This SPM, suspended particulate matter, and this suspended particulate matter अगर हम इसकी बात करेंगे, it is the major cause of air pollution. हम बात करेंगे when we burn the coal या when we burn the coal, dust जो होता है, dust is generated from sources such as coal dust. Yeah, we have got one more, cement dust. We have got silica dust, that is this stone dust and silica dust. When we go for the stone crushing, a huge amount of the dust जो हम देखते हैं, it is also blown by transport vehicle, by the vehicle. All these dust particles, they remain suspended in the air and makes this air unfit for the use. Such particles are called as this suspended particulate matter, and this is also one of the major cause of the air pollution. So today we have discussed the what will be called as this various causes of the air pollution. We have studied 5 causes. First one is the industrial pollutant. Second one जो हमने पढ़ा, we have discussed this automobiles. We have discussed the burning of fossil fuels. We have discussed the agriculture activities, and the last one we have discussed the suspended particulate matter. Now in the next video, in the next topic, we will discuss what will be called as this air pollutants, major air pollutants. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.